So over here, you can see that I am in the DeepSeek window right here. And let's say what I want to do is access my history. In that case, you can see I have all of my history right here. But let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and delete out all of these. In that case, I can simply go around onto profile. And here you can see that delete all chat is an option. Remember that if you choose to actually go ahead and select this option, then all of the chat will be deleted. So you can simply go ahead and choose this, and you can see that it says delete all chat. So it is asking you to actually go ahead and confirm the deletion. So let me just go ahead and then go to confirm deletion right here, and all of the chat history, as you can see, is gone. It cannot be retrieved anymore, so you need to be really careful while going ahead and by deleting the chats. But whatever new chat you actually go ahead and do, let's say for example, if I were to go ahead and say hello right here, then that'll actually be saved in DeepSeek. And whatever new chats you will be typing and will be sending out to DeepSeek will simply be retrieved out just like that. So that is how you can go ahead and then delete out all of the chats inside of DeepSeek as you want. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.